Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your BLACKVIEW Tab 8, at first you have to open apps that you are going to use. So in my case it will be Google Chrome and also Settings. Next we have to make this gesture to open background apps. Click on the icon of the application, select split screen. As you can see, our screen split. Then we can choose second application by tapping with the finger. And right now we are able to work on the two apps at the same time. We can also change size of the application by moving this switcher on the left or the right side. And if you want to close this mode, you have to swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.